Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, class. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay. Okay, everyone. It's long time. Shreyan, Aryan, Charvi, Uma.
Ma'am,
Mic
your
check is
voice is low.
my voice is my voice is low.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you zoom in the worksheet a bit?
Sure. Just a minute. Now my voice is clear, everyone.
Yes,
Mhm.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, how was your vacations?
Good, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, it was
Okay.
good.
Great. So, I think all of Aryan to got his marks. What about the remaining ones? Trilokya?
Ma'am, I'll get it on Tuesday, ma'am. Yes, Tuesday.
Okay. Uma?
Ma'am, meet you on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay. And what about Charvi and Shayans?
Ma'am, the school marks, right, ma'am?
School midterm
Ma'am, I'll get it on Monday, ma'am, on Monday. My school
on
is reopening
Monday.
on Monday.
Okay. And Charvi? Are we having Charvi here? Okay. So we were doing electricity and its effects. So we are done with the heating effect of electricity. Okay. So only magnetic effect is left. So before moving on to the magnetic effect, just quick revision first. So revision in the form of worksheet. So this is a very simple worksheet. So we will take questions here. Now it's readable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we will go alphabetically. So we are having Aryan, then Shreyans, then Trilokya, then Uma. Where is Charvi? Charvi left. Okay. Aryan, turn on camera. Aryan, are you there? Okay, so we will go like Charvi is here. Charvi, is everything settled?
Mom?
Yes. All set, Charvi?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had a power cut.
Oh, okay, okay. So could you turn on camera?
Ma'am, could you give me 1 minute, ma'am?
Sure, sure. Okay. So I can see Shreyans, Trilokya and Uma. So alphabetical order is like Shreyans, Trilokya and Uma. Okay. So starting with Shreyans. Okay, Shreyans, I need proper answer.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Actually, I was able to hear you, but I couldn't answer because there was some problem with my mic. I just quickly went to settings and I fixed it. Ma'am, like, should I answer now or after she answers the first question?
But why your cameras is still off?
Okay, ma'am, I'll turn it on.
Okay. Now Aryan, Shreyans, Trilokya and Uma. Okay, just remember your turn. Okay, I'm starting with Aryan with you. So please answer the
Okay,
first.
first it says part A, define electric current. So basically electric current is like the rate of flow or electric charge through a conductor or conducting wires, which is a main part of a electrical circuit.
Very good. Next.
I should also answer.
No. Next means next student, that is Shreyans.
Ma'am, what is the SI unit of electric current? Ma'am, it is joules.
Shreyans, SI unit of current.
Oh, current. Ma'am, Coulomb is charge, right? Ma'am, that is charge.
SI unit of current. This is very bad. This is I'm not expecting from you. Current is a unit, Array. How can you forget? It's ampere.
Oh, yeah, I'm forgetting.
Oh yeah, note it down in the notebook. SI unit of current is ampere. Okay. Okay, next is Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am. I actually didn't learn about the Joule's law yet because we didn't do it in school. And
Acha, Jules, Acha, it's okay. It's okay. Leave this question. Come to the next one.
yes, ma'am. Name the effect of current responsible for the working of an electric bulb. Ma'am, heating effect?
Yes, it is heating effect of current. Very good. Next one, Uma.
Ma'am, what material is used as the filament of an electric bulb? Why? Ma'am, tungsten because it has high melting point.
Yes, very good. Okay. Next one is Aryan.
Okay, ma'am. Next is right one advantage of an electrical fuse. So one advantage can be it protects the circuit by melting or breaking due to no, ma'am. So basically the fuse, one advantage of a fuse is that the fuse protects the electrical appliances from getting damaged, which can lead to dangerous situations.
And how this fuse is able to do so?
It is because it has a low melting point, and thus it protects the electrical appliances in case the electric current is more than comes to the circuit, which is more than needed.
Very good. Charvi again left. Okay. Next is Shreyans.
Ma'am, explain the principle on which an electric iron works. Ma'am, electric iron means
Electric iron, the iron
the iron.
press.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah. So principle, ma'am, heat.
Okay, Charvi. Okay, Charvi, no issue.
Ma'am,
Yes.
electric effects of thermal. Ma'am, electric effects with thermal effect.
Thermal effect? What is thermal effect?
I need the devices after my company.
Because you in these 3-4 days holidays, you only holiday. You didn't read anything. Holiday means class is not there, but we have to do our homework, like our own reading. See, reading is very important for everyone. Okay, so don't skip the reading of the chapter. Just sit and read the chapter, whichever book you are following in your school, just read the things, whatever the things are given in your book, just read the part. Okay, now you are in 7th grade, so you are like sincere one and you are the senior ones. So just make it a habit reading of the chapter. Anxious, especially for you. Yes, Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am. Electric iron works on the principle of heating effect.
Yes, very good. At the very beginning of the worksheet, I told you I'm having questions on the basis of heating effect only because you are having only two effect, heating effect, magnetic effect. Magnetic we are not done yet. So only the heating effect. But फिर भी you are not able to give answer. In any question, if principal is asking, there's only one principle, that is the heating effect. Okay, so electric iron also works on the heating effect of current. Okay, and Trilokya, what is in the iron, like which material coil we are using in the iron?
Ma'am, nichrome.
What is the quality of this nichrome?
Ma'am, ma'am, it has a
Hmm.
high,
Hi, yes, very good.
ma'am, high melting point.
High melting point.
No, ma'am, ma'am, no, ma'am, high
I think
resistance.
high
Ah,
resistance.
very good, very good. High resistance. So what is resistance? What happen if it is having low resistance or it's not having high resistance? What is the feature of this resistance?
Ma'am, resistance is the opposition to the flow of current, so
Yes.
uh,
Hmm.
it 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 will it will make so since nickel
Yes.
wire has high resistance, it will create more heating effect because it will
Hmm.
there's more collision of the electrons.
More what? More
Collision. Yes,
collision. Collision means?
ma'am,
Hmm. Yes, very good.
collision means like the electrons of the wire and the
Hmm.
electrons of the current will like collide. They will
See, we are having one high resistance wire and one low resistance wire or the normal wire. So what do you understand by high resistance?
ma'am, like the wire with the high resistance will create more
Hmm.
opposition. Opposition means there will be more heating effect, and the wire with the low
Yes, it
resistance.
will create, very good. It will create more heating effect. But how a high resistance wire is creating heating effect, more heating effect. And normal wire is not creating this heating effect. Normally, though we are using copper wire, no? But in iron, we are using nichrome wire. So why we are using nichrome wire? What happens if we are using normal copper wire inside the iron? How this resistivity of wire and heating effect is related? Yes, Charvi.
Mom,
Yes, Charvi. Just complete the answer. Okay, anyone? Uma? Would you like to add something? How resistivity of the wire and heating effect are related? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone from the class, Shreyans? Arya?
More resistance means it will not heat up so much, ma'am. It will resist against the heating effects.
It will not heat up so much, then why you are using that high resistance wire in iron? If iron is not heating up, then what is the purpose of iron if it is not heating up? Omayu, beta, turn off camera, you just finish your snacks, then join again. It's okay. You have your snacks first, then join again, okay? Yes, everyone. Aryan, what is resistance?
Ma'am, resistance is something used in heating effect of electricity. It's when the conducting wire or the like the wire which like the conducting wire offers resistance, which leads to heat being formed, and thus gives the heating effect of electricity.
So how this high resistance wire giving heating effect of electricity?
Ma'am, since it's a high resistance wire, it can hold up to like high temperatures without being quickly melted, which thus doesn't
No,
melt.
8 second. It means it is high melting point. If it is not melting at high temperature, it means it is having high melting
High
point.
melting point, yeah.
I am asking high resistance means what? How a high resistance wire, that is we are using nichrome coil inside the iron. So how this high resistance nichrome coil is able to heat up the iron? See, the resistance means
Ma'am,
what?
because the nichrome can like withstand continuous heating.
Yes. So that is the high melting point. Na? Because of high melting point, it is not melting. How your wire is generating heating effect?
Ma'am, it's generating heating effect because the wires can resist the heat.
Resist the
Heat.
From where this heat is coming?
Ma'am, yeah, so I think heat, like what I know is that when electric current passes through a conducting wire, the conducting wire offers resistance. This resistance creates heat, and this is known
How?
as the heating effect of electricity.
How? यही तो मेरा question है बच्चा. How this resistance wire, high resistance wire, creating heat out of electricity?
Like how it converts the electrical energy to heat energy.
Hmm.
I'm not sure, ma'am. Like the
See.
process, how I'm not sure.
See what happens. Suppose we are having this normal wire and this is our high resistance wire. Okay, so normal wire means normal flow or of current. And what is current? Current is flow of electrons. Okay, so till here there is normal flow of current, so electrons are normally flowing. But in this portion it is having high resistance. So high resistance means it resists the flow of electric current. So what happens? Electrons are not able to flow smoothly. If they are not able to flow smoothly, so they will start to accumulate at one place. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Electric energy, because electricity is a form of energy. So electric energy is accumulated at this portion, high resistance portion. Now, if something is accumulating, because it's a form of energy, so it can't be at one place. It always moving in one or the other form. So what happens at this position, at this place, at this area, this electrical energy will convert into heat energy. And this heat energy comes out. In bulb, it is comes out in the form of heat and light. In iron, it is heating the metal plate, which is at the bottom base of the iron. Okay, so this heat energy is coming out. So how this high resistance wire heated up, or how this high resistance wire heating your iron? Because it is resisting the flow of current. And because current is accumulated, electrons are not able to flow smoothly. They are accumulated in one place. So this electrical energy converted into another form of energy, which is called heat energy. So in iron, electric energy 100% converted into heat energy. But in case of bulb, this electrical energy converted into heat as well as light in two forms. Okay, so the principle on which our iron works, this is the heating effect of current. Okay, so we are having a high resistance coil that is made up of nichrome inside the iron. So when current flows, this nichrome, because it is having high resistance, so this nichrome hold the current. And because of this holding of the current, this electrical energy accumulated and converted into heat energy. Okay, and heat energy, due to this heat energy, your metal plate, which is at the base of your iron, it gets heated and you can iron your clothes. Okay, next one. This question is of 3. Okay, next is Uma. Yes, Uma.
Why are fuse wires made of tin lead alloy? Ma'am, because the tin and lead alloy has low melting point. So when current passes through it, when it is overheated, it helps the wire to break, which has a break in the circuit, ma'am.
And what are alloy?
Ma'am, alloy is a mixture of two metals.
Yes, very good. Next is Charvi.
Yes, ma'am. Differentiate between a fuse and an MCB. Ma'am, a fuse, it is a single time use device and a sacrificial device that melts down the wire to break the circuit. Whereas the MCB, it is multi-use device, ma'am, and also the switch, it trips down to open the circuit.
Which is cheaper?
Ma'am?
Which is cheaper between fuse and MCB?
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Which is cheaper one?
Ma'am, fuse, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next one, Shayans.
Why tungsten used in bulbs, not in meters or iron? So tungsten has a very high melting point, ma'am. So it will, it can like, if heat passes through it, ma'am, it will not melt and will create light, ma'am. But whereas in the irons and meters, tungsten is not used because we need high resistance wire, ma'am, like metals.
So in both the thing we are using heat. उसमें भी high है, इसमें भी high है.
No, there is high resistance. This is high melting point, ma'am.
In which case high melting point?
Ma'am, in the bulb.
And in case of iron?
Ma'am, we need high resistance.
And also high melting point?
Ma'am, but tungsten doesn't have a high resistance.
Tungsten have the high resistance. तभी तो वो glow करता है. तभी तो it is producing heating effect. अरे heating effect जहाँ भी हो रहा है वहाँ पे high resistance होगा.
Yes, ma'am, but
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, tungsten, we don't use tungsten in heaters or irons because we don't need the wire to glow, so we use
Yes, tungsten is having very high melting point. Okay, melting point is high in both the condition, resistance high in both the condition. Okay, but tungsten is having very high melting point, so it glows. Okay, so we don't need this kind of glow in iron. Iron तो आप ऐसे भी light on करके कर सकते हो, ठीक है? That's why. Shreyans तो out of focus completely. Holidays are over, Shreyans, come back.
and rewrite these functions.
Yes, Aryan is back now. So Aryan, next one.
Ma'am, the 11th one, right?
Calculate the heat producer. So leave this question. Joule's law bhi nahi. Explain the working electrical.
Or should I do
Okay,
the 13th one?
14th one.
Okay, so it asks what is an electrical fuse? Explain its working with the help of a circuit diagram. So, ma'am, basically, electric fuse is a protective device which contains a thin wire and it is placed in a circuit. So, how does it work? So, if the current exceeds the if it exceeds its needed no if the circuit or the wires exceed the needed current, then the fuse stops the circuit, breaks it, and it protects the wires and appliances from getting damaged.
Draw the circuit diagram, everyone.
For a fuse.
Everyone for the fuse, yes.
Okay, so like a circuit with a fuse. Okay.
Circuit with the fuse, yes. All the components of circuit diagram with fuse.
Incoming call from Ladis identified by true call.
Ma'am, open or closed circuit, ma'am?
Any circuit you draw.
Ma'am, can I do the 13th one?
Circuit diagram is done. Charvi, circuit diagram is done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'm showing it.
Charvi, draw.
Ma'am, after I'm done with the circuit, can I do the 13th one?
Sure. First, show me the circuit diagram.
Ma'am, can you see?
Ma'am, an open circuit.
What is the direction of current, Aryan? It's not there. Put the arrow.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I am done.
Direction of current. Uma.
Ma'am, we should draw an closed circuit.
You draw the circuit, any circuit. I need all the component of circuit, like switch, fuse, everything.
Ma'am, I
Battery,
did
cell.
not understand what
Direction of current. From where to where current will flow.
Ma'am, from positive to negative terminal.
Put the arrow. Put the arrow.
Ma'am.
Aryan. From where to where current is flowing?
Ma'am, from positive to negative, right?
And in your notebook?
Ma'am, positive of the battery to the negative.
Show me again.
Ma'am, it's flowing like this.
ये तो negative to positive है ना? Check the arrow.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am.
नहीं बच्चा. Arrow inside the circuit. Like inside the circuit, from which direction your current is flowing? Inside the circuit. Let me check everyone's, then I will draw.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, show me. नहीं भाई, गलत क्यों बना रहे हो सर? No, no, it's wrong. You are drawing negative to positive. Yes, Trilokya. हाँ, very good. Fuse और एक second, show me again. Sorry, fuse bulb. हाँ, okay, very good. Shreyans. Direction of current. Is it open circuit or closed circuit? Direction of current. Everyone is doing ulta pulta.
And it's actually flowing from positive to negative only.
Yes, positive to negative. Yes. Suppose this is a battery. Okay. And this is a fuse. And this is a bulb. Okay. Now the longer line is positive.
Yes.
And this is negative. Current is flowing positive to negative. This is a negative. So current is flowing positive. Start with the positive. Okay. And it is coming to negative. Okay. So start your current arrow at the positive sign, positive terminal of the cell. Okay, in this way. Done, everyone? Yes, Uma. हाँ, now it's correct. और इतने सारे एरो नहीं लगाने होते हैं, बस एक एरो is enough. Okay. Okay, with one arrow only. Okay. Okay, everyone. So whenever you are drawing circle, always draw the direction of current. Okay, it is positive terminal of the cell towards negative terminal. Okay, पूरा घूम के ऐसे आती है current. Okay. Okay, so these are few numericals, but these numerical based on the no, these are not in our syllabus. Leave these numerical. Okay, so is it clear? This much part of the chapter up to heating effect of electric current. What is electricity and everything about the charges, circuit diagram, components of circuit and heating effect of electric current. Is everything clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, will we have thermal
Except,
Ma'am, I'm confused with the resistance, ma'am.
Resistance. See, resistance is the property of wire. So suppose we are having a wire. ठीक है? Resistance क्या होता है? See, everyone is student here. ठीक है? I'm a student, you are a student, Shans is a student. So we are like copper wire. No, we are like wire. ठीक है? So inside us, there is a flow of knowledge. Just say in wire, there is a flow of electricity. So inside us, suppose we are a conductor and inside us, there is a flow of knowledge. Okay. But all of us, we are having some resistivity for something like someone is having resistivity for history subject. Means we are not, it's not clear to us. The knowledge is not flowing smoothly within us. If there is some topic related to history, someone is having resistivity for maths. Someone is having resistivity for science. Okay, so resistivity means something which is resisting the flow. Okay, अब हमारे अंदर वो चीज क्या है जो resist करती है? It's a interest. Okay, someone is more interested in art subject, someone is more interested in math, someone is more interested in science. Similarly, the conductor, we are having different kind of conductor which conduct the electricity. So one conductor is copper wire. There is one more conductor that is called nichrome. There is one more conductor that is called tungsten. Okay, these are all conductor. These are conducting electricity. But see, copper wire, every wire is having resistivity. Every wire is resist the flow of current. But how much resistivity? It depends wire to wire. So copper wire, it is very smooth for the conduction of current. So it's a good conductor. It is holding the current, it is resisting the current, but very minimal amount. Okay, so most of the current is flowing smoothly. Now we are having nichrome wire. It is conductor, but it is also having high resistivity, means this wire flow the current. The current will go through this wire, but the most of the current it will hold. So current कैसे flow होगा? Current बहुत धीरे धीरे, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे पास पास flow होगा, smooth flow नहीं होगा. Current को ये hold करता है. So the power of holding the current, power of resisting the flow of current, that is called resistance. Power or the property, not say power. This is the property. Okay. So property of holding something. And because of this, copper is also holding the current, but very, very minimal amount. So most of the current is passing around, say. Okay. So that's why copper wire is a good conductor. इसीलिए कॉपर वायर आपका हीट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वो करंट को होल्ड ही नहीं करता है, तो वो हीट नहीं होता है. बट नाइक्रोम वायर, टंगस्टन वायर, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग हाई रेजिस्टेंस, सो दे होल्ड द करंट. They are not allowing electrons to pass through easily. So electrons, although electrons are passing through these wire also, but very धीरे धीरे रुक रुक कर चलते हैं वो. Okay.
And copper
So
wire has low electrical resistance. And copper wire has low resistance or more?
Copper wire having very low resistance.
Okay.
Every conductor is having resistance. Resistance is the property which is possessed by every conductor. But the amount of resistance varies from conductor to conductor.
Okay.
The wire which are having high resistance, that kind of wire we are using in the heating effect. Because this property of these kind of wire, we are using this property positively. Although this is like heat is the waste of electricity, we are wasting the electricity. In heating effect of current, electricity is wastage, but we are using this wastage in some positively. Okay, so this is resistance only. Here, resistance means resist something. Okay. Got it? Okay, so next class we will continue the chapter with last topic, that is magnetic effect. Till then, everyone, especially Shreyans, just go through this chapter. Rest of your chapter is clear, but Shreyans, there are some resistance for this chapter. So, be a conductor for this chapter. Okay? Okay then, bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.